Hi guys, it's Fame Forever. I'm coming at you with a fabulous firework makeup tutorial. It's going to be a great 4th of July look. Stay tuned for this look. Here I'm applying a Wet n Wild black eyeliner towards the end of the eyebrow, just to define the eyebrow. Now I'm going in with a brown Wet n Wild eyeliner to give it a more natural look towards the front. Now I'm applying a nude Wet n Wild highlight underneath the eyebrow to define. Now I'm measuring her fake lashes and cutting them to fit her eyes. Now I'm going in with the glue and I'm applying the lash. Now I'm going in with a black gel liner. It's by Maybelline. I'm only applying it to the outer corners to widen her eye. Now I have a cream glitter base eyeshadow that I'm applying all over her face to add some spunk, and it's also by Wet n Wild. Now I have Riri Woo MAC lipstick going in top and bottom. Now I'm applying glitter glue to the middle of her lips, top and bottom, and applying red glitter for a voluptuous look. Now I'm going in with another cream glitter base eyeshadow by Wet n Wild. Here I have a white milk NYX pencil and I'm drawing stars. You can place your stars wherever you like. Now I'm adding polka dots. You can add anything that you want. Here I have a red NYX pencil and I'm going in drawing swirls. Now I'm applying glitter glue to the tear duct. And I'm going in with a blue glitter. So I'm applying the blue glitter now. I'm going back in with the Wet n Wild nude highlighter. It wasn't vibrant enough for me, so I'm reapplying it. Here I'm using MAC Raisin Blush.